Okay, we'll give you 2 options here then, and I'll even buy them for you.
4 copies of Madden.
Crab Fight 2 or Void Crew?
What are you voting, Toaster?
Good question. We did already play Fight Crab 2, which was fun. And it is a fighting game, effectively, and it's very silly. But I've also already played it. And I know Zen's gonna be the freaking shrimp with the freaking armored core jackhammers and just freaking run on Froot and mash her, dude.
No!
Crab Fight 2.
I'm
Electric
just a
Boogaloo.
tiny little crab.
It's a really funny combination.
I
Void
can't believe you would
Crew?
bully Froot like that.
What do you mean you can't believe? I think it's pretty believable.
Yeah, you make a great point.